Medico has been a leader in medical uniform and medical linen services in Southern California for more than 80 years. Medico takes pride in delivering customers hygienically clean linens in a timely manner at an affordable cost. In order to deliver excellent customer service, Medico has been trusting innovative solutions from Positek RFID for many years. With the outbreak of COVID-19, Medico turned to Positek to develop a state-of-the-art RFID solution that would allow for a safe and reliable ISO gown process to ensure the clean, consistent delivery of reusable ISO gowns wherever and whenever needed. This new process, in addition to the already successful deployment of RFID-enabled solutions for scrubs and lab coats driven with Fujitsu's ultra-rugged RFID tags, allows for Medico to easily control the quality of the laundry process, so that Medico can focus on delivering excellent service and quality linens to their customers.